नर्सिंग फाउंडेशन यूनिट 2 हेल्थ केयर डिलीवरी सिस्टम। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट है लेवल ऑफ इलनेस प्रिवेंशन। लेवल ऑफ इलनेस प्रिवेंशन, देयर आर 3 लेवल ऑफ इलनेस प्रिवेंशन। फर्स्ट वन इज प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन, सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है। देन लेवल ऑफ प्रिवेंशन। प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन इंटरवेनिंग बिफोर हेल्थ इफेक्ट अकर थ्रू प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन। Primary prevention, these are the definition of primary prevention and introduction. Then primary prevention is achieved by health promotion and specific protection. इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है, देन शॉर्ट नोट्स इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. देन प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन अचीव्ड बाय हेल्थ प्रमोशन एंड स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्शन. हेल्थ प्रमोशन क्या है? इट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनेबलिंग पीपल टू इंक्रीज कंट्रोल ओवर डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ हेल्थ एंड देयर बाय इम्प्रूव देयर हेल्थ. एम दिया है, एम कैन बी अचीव्ड बाय फॉलोइंग इंटरवेंशंस: हेल्थ एजुकेशन, एनवायरमेंटल मॉडिफिकेशन, बिहेवियरल चेंज. Then next है secondary prevention. Secondary prevention an action which halt the progress of disease at an incipient stage. In prevention prevent complication. Specific intervention क्या होता है? Diagnosis and treatment. And second होता है referral services. Then tertiary prevention when disease process has its advanced beyond its early stage. Then tertiary prevention में introduction to late pathogenesis phase. This is the diagrammatical view of level of prevention. Then next है level of healthcare. There are 3 level of healthcare: primary healthcare, secondary healthcare and tertiary healthcare. Primary healthcare में introduction दिया है. Primary healthcare essential healthcare है based on practical, scientific, sound, socially acceptable method and technology made universally accessible to individual. Introduction दिया है. Then definition according to WHO. Then next है elements of primary healthcare. These are according to Alma Ata. These are the elements of primary healthcare. There are 8 elements of primary healthcares. Then next है secondary healthcare. Secondary healthcare next higher level of care in secondary healthcare. These are provided by hospitals and psychiatric facilities. Then tertiary healthcare. Tertiary healthcare में specialized specific facilities and attention or highly specialized health worker provide care in tertiary healthcare. Then types of healthcare agencies. Types of healthcare agency established in India provide health services. First one is hospital. Hospital क्या है? Residential establishment which provide short term and long term medical care. Then hospital की definition. Then next है types of hospital, यानी कि clinics and hospice. Then next है important topic है types of hospital, classification of hospital. This is most important topic for exam purpose, semester exam purpose. BSc nursing students. Types of hospital according to size of bed capacity, according to ownership. Then next है according to objective, according to system education management on